The Nuvo jHorn is a fairly simple instrument that doesn't often require much in the way of repair and maintenance. However, sometimes things happen, especially since younger students tend to be using these instruments. Nuvo sells a school spares kit if you are using these instruments in schools that contains the common lost or broken parts that you might need. If you are using a class set of any of these instruments, I would recommend picking up a spares kit. It will give you peace of mind. The jHorn arrives in the key of B flat, but can easily be converted to the key of C. To do this, slide the front tubing, which has a B flat marking on it, away from the instrument. You will also want to remove the two tubes on the bottom. Next, make sure that the center ring is pushed all the way in. You will have 3 tubes that come with the instrument to help you put it in C. Simply put these in each one of the spots that we removed from. You can refer to the leaflet that comes in the jHorn if you are unsure about this process. There are many O-rings on the jHorn that can be damaged but easily replaced. If you notice that they are getting dry, you can use the Nuvo grease, Vaseline, or even some baby oil lightly on the rings, but a little dab will do you. The jHorn comes with 3 mouthpiece attachments. Simply lift up the silicone and attach with another one. There are 3 sizes to show high, middle, and low brass, so students can see roughly what a trumpet would feel like, or a trombone. If you want to open the cover of the jHorn, you can use your nails or a coin and rotate these slots counterclockwise. Then simply lift up the cover and you will see the valves inside. If you need to rinse them off, it is completely okay if they get wet. To reattach the cover, simply slide it on till you hear a click. Use your coin and rotate back clockwise. If the jHorn gets dropped with force, the lead pipe could break. If this happens, it is pretty simple to replace it. Simply use a tool to take off the screw covers. Use a screwdriver, carefully unscrew both of them. The lead pipe is connected back here and can easily pop off. If you need a replacement lead pipe, just contact Nuvo. To replace it, simply slide the lead pipe back into place. Reattach, simply place the clip back over and tighten the screws. You should notice that the clip cover becomes flush with the rest of the instrument. Then reattach the screw covers. There is no need for valve oil, but it is okay to use with the jHorn if you would like to. Don't forget to periodically clean the instrument. Refer to our Cleaning Nuvo Instruments video for more specifics.